Okay, YouTube, we're here on a 2008 Honda CRV driver's side front power window regulator. There's a little cover in here you pop off to expose a couple screws, another little cover here, and then this one you just pull off just to make it easier to get the panel off once you get all the screws out of it. So we'll get started here. There's two in here. One here. I believe there's a hidden one right here, right here. Find out right now. Use a little pick for these things. It can still be tough sometimes. There's a little trap door there. And this Phillips. There's a zip file. I'll fish this one out here. So I don't want to fit. Okay. Now, flathead, put it somewhere you can get in. Just give it a light little pull. This way you can get your hand back in it. And you can just go around the door, tug, lift a little bit, and there it goes. On this back side here, it's gonna be, let's see, it's gonna be two clips. This one here, pull it over and up. Yeah. You can see the bottom of that one. Usually these pump right off. Let's see if I can do this a different way. There we go. Now I can put that little thing back because I didn't have to do it on this model. They're all a little different. There we go. Let's leave that one inside. The only thing hooked up now is our window switch. Turn on the side where you can see it. Should be a little push tab right there. None of which I can really see very well, but I got it. Yeah, it's a little push tab right here. Alright. Contrary to belief, you do not need this god-awful plastic padding around your doors. All it does is get in your way. It is not a water barrier or anything of the sort. Water doesn't go on this part of your door at all. It's just a mess and it's in your way. Back up! Three down here. Okay. Now this one, because the window is stuck up, does make things a little more difficult, because it's not going to obviously roll down when we can get to where it attaches to the glass. So what we're going to have to do is get some cutters, cut this cable right here, and that way we can make it where the windows move freely. Okay, I got the cable on this side, see? Now lower it to right here, and you can see there's two 10s holding it to the glass. Pull the glass back up just to get it out of your way. And, oh, I missed one bolt. This one here. Helpful to take that bar out, huh? Really would. Alright, so just to have extra room, I'm going to take this bar out. Made a whole lot more room. And we've got a new one in here. Feed it through like this. Make sure you plug it in. switch up just so we can move that around and make it line up so we can set the window back in place. That is full back. Heat. Okay. Now we got 2 more screws. And these both go here to attach to the glass. There's a regulator. Okay. Snaps there. You always start at the top, get it pushed in there, up there. The bottom generally will line up itself. When it hits, just make the poppers go back in.
Just beat it.
Yep, just beat it. This cover just snaps in. Right back in place. These 2 screws go here. And these are the ones with the little round part at the bottom. The other ones look a little different. I'll show you when I get to the next one. This little guy here goes in here. So you can find the hole. There it is. Got it. Right. This one in here. Got it. Has its own little door. Snaps in place. These are your 2 little kind of trapdoor things they build for you. Make sure. Now, this one goes here. And it just pushes into place. This one goes in just. Once you get your fat fingers in there, there we go. It snaps back into place. A working window.
Oh, the like, subscribe.
Yeah, that stuff. You want me to do it? Alright, fine. Alright, YouTubers. Please make sure you like and subscribe. We want to keep bringing you all this video content as often as possible. But it helps to have subscribers too. And views. So, until next time. Bye.
I'll hunt you down and gut you like a fish. If you'd like to fax me, press the star key.